Hey everybody, Melissa here. So today I'm in Excel and I'm going to show you how to customize your view. Now I'm not talking about customizing a ribbon or a toolbar or anything like that. I'm talking about creating custom views for your data. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's say you have wholesale data and you have retail data and you've got two meetings today. And meeting one just needs to see wholesale. Meeting two just needs to see retail. And you need to still see everything. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to create 3 custom views. And how we're going to do that is we're going to go to View, Custom Views. And the first one that we want to add, I call it Myself. That way I know it's mine. And it has everything displayed. So I'm going to type in Myself and tell it OK. Now, meeting one, they just need to see wholesale data. So we're going to highlight all the columns for retail and the spaces. We're going to right click and we're going to hide those columns. Now under View, Custom Views, we're going to create Meeting 1. Always helps if I type the 1. Tell it OK. Now, I'm going to Control Z to undo it. Meeting 2, since they just need to see retail, I'm going to highlight all of the wholesale data and the blanks, right click, and I'm going to hide. Go back to Custom View, and I'm going to add, and I'm going to call it Meeting 2, and tell it OK. Now what we can do is say we're not in the meeting, we just need to look at the data before we go in. View, Custom View, Myself, Show, and it shows me all the data. I can manipulate it, do anything I need to do with it. Now it's time for meeting 1, which is our wholesale meeting. View, Custom View, Meeting 1, Show, and it automatically hides your retail data. Okay, meeting 1's over. It's time for meeting 2. If we go to meeting 2, we tell it to show. Now it has switched and it has hidden your wholesale data. And then we can always go back when both meetings are over to Myself, Show, and there's all of our data. So it takes a little bit of work in the beginning to get the cells hidden and then the custom views created, but it comes in really handy if you have several meetings that requires data from the same sheet, but you only want to present certain parts of it to a certain group. If you found this video helpful, please be sure to like it. If you want to see more content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you have any kind of feedback, or if there is a topic you'd like to see me cover in a future tutorial, please be sure to leave a comment. And I'll see you next time. Until then, thanks so much for watching.